Hi, Goza. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's better. You see, we're at IKEA. They're IKEA umbrellas. And what's going on right now? Yeah, lightning and rain. And the best part, I'm going to have to videotape you a second, so, you know, it's equal awesome. Is all these people wish they had an umbrella. But they don't. Yeah, may as well just take some video of me. Because everyone's been walking up to us going like, hey, did they give those out for free? And we're like, no, we have to buy them. But anyway. So they're gonna, you know, nonchalantly walk over to the truck here. Enjoying the weather. This is my favorite weather. I think Mears was kind of partial to it as well. Yeah, we're thinking about some lightning. It's going to be a good time. We were coming here to get a present for AJ's kind of going away thing, but started closing at 9 and turns out it closes at 8. And even worse is that AJ and Anthony decided just to go out tonight and not invite us. So, you know, nothing personal. Nothing personal, but I'm going to kick your ass. So until next time, I love you.